So here we have another crack in the door. You can see if you push it in, it bounces a little bit. For that, what I like to do is get a 1.25" screw. Right where it bounces, you want to put a screw. What that does, that holds it from bouncing anymore. Now with that secure, take your lightweight spackle. You could use Bondo. It'll hold better, but it's way more expensive. This hole here, because it still has a little piece in it, you can still fill it and it'll be fine. You want to slap this on there. Just put it on thick. I use the 3-inch putty knife only because it can get in here a little bit better. Then I like to take my 6-inch putty knife and just smooth the whole thing out. This stuff doesn't dry fast, so you can play with it. Now how I'm doing this, when I'm doing this, I like to bend. That's why I like the flexible knife. So on one side I push down and then I feather it out, and then that will leave, like for instance, if I do it on top, the top part will be smoothed out. I'm gonna do it here so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So I'm pushing down on the bottom part. You see how much smoother that is. Again, you might have to do 1 or 2 or 3 passes, let it dry. Do it one time, let it dry, sand it a little bit, and then you can give it another coat, and then sand it again, and you should be good. Or you can try to get it all smoothed out the first time. If you don't stabilize the crack with a screw, vibrations will cause the crack to reappear later on. An 1.25" screw is long enough to reach the other side of the door, but not long enough to go through it. Just keep playing with it. I like to leave it where the screw is not shown. So yeah, that looks much better. So that's pretty much it. Let it dry, sand it, and you paint it, and you should be good.